Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Genesis here. Today's video is going to be a struggle to keep it going, but we're gonna do another day in my life kind of vlog. It is officially registration week, so I guess we can kind of make it part of the back to school series. But yeah, so today I just woke up 6:30 or 6 o'clock. I honestly have no idea, but it's currently 7:07. I have to make my coffee and then get a couple stuff done and then go pick up my best friend. She just lives like 2-minute drive away, but I'd rather pick her up, you know, because I want to. Today is just gonna kind of be a busy, not busy sort of day. It's just registration. That one I won't be able to really carry my phone a lot. It's gonna be like more in between each stop. And then go home, have a meeting, go home, and then dance. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna... Can I just say how much I have missed dancing? I don't know where I'm looking, here or here. I think here, so I'm gonna look here. But how much I have missed dancing. I can't say my feet miss dancing because, oh my god. But these 2 feet are injured. My ankles have not healed. And I given myself 2 months, they're still not healed. So yeah, I'm just gonna be wearing a brace throughout the week. But I'm still dancing. I'm gonna go light on myself until hip hop comes in, because I never go mark hip hop. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hi all, good morning. It's currently 6:53, I think. I don't know. But right now we're just gonna try to get this entire hair face situation done with. I did take a shower today. I took a shower yesterday, but I think I was like, I'm gonna do it today because it's registration day and I'd rather have my hair look like it's been washed because I don't want to curl it. So, but today's plan was just like pick up my friend, go to registration, make sure I have my coffee. Go home, like get a little bit more stuff ready, and then I go back for a meeting that I have, and then go to dance because it's our first day of dance intensives today, so I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. I did a lot of cleaning last night, both bathroom, my room, downstairs, and the kitchen, so I'm kind of proud of myself. So I can wake up to a bit of clean area because I did not clean all of last week, so that includes my room, and it made me feel bad. Yeah. I'm gonna take this with me because I'm gonna make my coffee today. My hair is done to a good extent. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna transfer everything, honestly. I forgot I did laundry. So what we're gonna do is, because I haven't done it in 2 weeks, I'm just sorting out the pile between mine and not mine. So I can fold. I did folding last night. I'm just thankful enough because I had like a whole bucket. This entire thing was filled with my clothes. So I did the folding last night. So I'm just glad to have gotten it over with. My throat hurts, you guys. Anyways, for today's makeup, I'm not gonna do anything big. I'm not gonna do the entire face. So right now we're just gonna do mascara, highlighter, and lips. Lips, I'm just gonna have this one on, and I'll probably use a bit of tint, but it is not noticeable. Actually, no, it might. So after I do all of that, right, I just like to lift it by forcing it to go up, because if I use my curler, then it just like goes away. So, especially for this eye, because my eyelids are different. You just use this one to push up. Also, I could also do my entire makeup look right here, right now, but I'm not because, yeah. Yeah, okay, so we got the majority done. Peekaboo, happy birthday. Yeah. My lips have been dry lately, so taking this with me. Yeah, today that is my final makeup look for today. Nothing too big. So, oh, that was a lie. I did put a little bit more makeup if that was kind of obvious. But this is gonna be my final look for today. Hopefully my ID photo turns out great. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my keys, and then I'm going to take my registration card. Waiting for my friend. Good morning.
Get me in the car. It's cold.
Drive. Girl. Okay. What? Oh.
Where? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take her vlog. Okay. Hi y'all. My besta's in the car. Why? Is it because it's school?
Sick of it. I
barely
hate
at
it here.
registration.
I know. I don't want to go back to that school. We're gonna die.
Do you want to say anything?
I want to go home. Oh, Elijah's going tomorrow with my mom.
Gotcha.
He didn't want to come because he was tired.
Too early?
Yes, he was like, I can't do it.
This goes crazy.
I don't want to do this today.
Well, luckily, it's only one day. We'll be out, and then we have one more week until school starts. Oh my God, one more week.
Does school start on
It's next week.
Wednesday?
Yes. I'm gonna cry for
I
real.
can't do it. I can't go to school.
Show yourself to the camera.
Oh. I don't wanna. It's too early. I was so upset. I woke up at like 6:30.
Bro, me too.
I didn't even have an alarm. I woke up and I was like, there's no way. There's no way. I went to sleep at like 11 and then I woke up and I was like,
Lucky I slept at 1. I tried sleeping since 12 and I could not.
I knew I wasn't gonna wake up if that happened. Bro, like,
My mom woke me up, so I was like, alright, thank you.
Ben said this, like, ooh,
Hi, cat.
oh,
Oh, there's 2. Okay, please don't. They like to do this. They like
damn,
Thank you.
roadkill.
God. No.
I was kidding. Just kidding.
Cheers. Okay, what's your rating? Good. What could there be more of? Caramel, coffee, milk?
Caramel. I love
Caramel?
caramel.
Okay, I'll give you extra on the first day.
Yeah, she walked away.
I think she was planning to go to you.
Yeah, I think she saw you.
Mm-hmm. You're wild in your. Oh my God, my eye. My...
Did I tell you?
What's up? What time is it? Show the time.
8:07. I think. Yeah.
Yeah. It's 8:07. The line's barely moving. Oh, show the rings. Oh. Anyways, we're waiting for our picture now. We finally got inside. It's what time? Show the time. 24. Thank God. 25 minutes. It's too early for us. Also, I love the lady. She was like, that's your friend. She allowed me to go with her. Say bye. Hi. I don't know. I found someone.
Oh, hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. This is for the vlog thing? Okay. Awesome.
We're in line for what?
Why are you asking me?
I don't know. You need to talk.
Oh.
Please have screen time.
Registration.
Schedules.
I need this place.
Me too. My neighbor's here.
Oh, she's here.
Oh, there's my mom.
But I need to give this to Kat.
We're gonna cry.
So,
Top Peter.
hold on. Let me tell Kat that I'm somebody has.
Wow! Driver now. U-turn. It's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot here, bro.
It's supposed to be cold.
There's a car.
It's supposed to be cold. What the fuck?
Okay, cat. My family uses our oven as a pot and pan storage holder. So more caramel. Got 13 seconds on the clock. We're done. Finished right on time, so I gotta remove this. And then we're gonna eat. But anyways, basically, how this works. I got my potatoes. Because I have more salt and butter.
Your
Hi.
homemade
I slaved at the French fries. The only thing I need is just more cornstarch. That's the one. Huh? Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stab this. Stab and then stab. I think there could be more caramel. What's next? Mash it. Because we're gonna watch one episode of Dynasty before I have to leave again. Or two, I don't know. Oh, look, it's me. Anyways, we're gonna be watching some Netflix. I'm eating. My table's a hot mess because I've been painting recently. So, yeah. By the way, I've watched this entire series already.
Hey there.
I'm just doing it.
Thank you all for coming tonight to help us celebrate.
Bye.
Thank you so much, baby girl. I love you so much.
Okay.
All right. Moving on. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Moving on to requested purchase order.
We have leadership. Then there is various for $400. This is for first day of school supplies and decorations. Are we doing this next week? No. That's
Because it's not actually an activity.
No, it's just the red carpet with yelling and music.
So we're gonna do NAR, right? Okay.
I don't think so. All right, moving on to. Oh, actually, can I get a motion to approve request for purchase orders, please? Motion by Gutierrez. Can I get a second? Motion by De Jesus. Is there any discussion at this time? All right. Motion carries 5-0. And next up is scheduling. All right. Oh, did you do the check request? Oh, we need to add that into the minute.
I got you.
Go ahead.
Okay. For our check request, we have leadership.
Moving on to adjournment. Can I get a motion to adjourn this meeting? Motion by Gutierrez.
Hi. You guys can live with my forehead right now, but we are about to go to dance. I would record me driving, but also no, not happening. I'm gonna go. I will see you guys.
Hey y'all, so I just came back from dance like around 30-40 minutes ago. Traffic was hella bad. I was in traffic for like 40 minutes, like to go back home. It usually takes me only 20 minutes. But for the rest of the day, I'm probably just gonna like chill, watch more episodes of Dynasty, have dinner, more potatoes, and fold my laundry and kind of get ready for tomorrow because I'm gonna go back to school to work, volunteer stuff. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day, but I will see you guys in a bit for the outro or whatever I'm doing. So hey guys, so what we're gonna make now is just fries. Hi. So the thing is about soft now. So right now I'm just like setting up the little bowl thing stuff. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up one. Then we're gonna mash. We're gonna let that boil a little longer. Right now we're just gonna grab a little fork and then just press some. So my french fries failed. They look more like hash browns. But it's my dinner, along with bananas and condensed milk. Hey, you want to
Yeah, it's fine.
Hi guys, I made a friend. Well, actually, I made a friend last week.
Last year.
Last year, but officially this week. Last week. This week. Her name's Paola.
How'd you say it?
Paola.
Paula? Yeah, okay. I thought you said Paola. I was about to say.
Was it Paola Pepsi? Pepsi.
That wasn't me. I said something else. That wasn't me. I was gonna say peanut butter cups, but that was Pamela.
Yeah.
And I'm allergic to peanut butter, so I can't really do that.
Wait, really? Yeah, made a new friend. She's amazing.
Okay, you don't have to lie to them.
No, I'm really saying that you really are.
Okay. You can turn it off now.
Say bye.
Bye?
Say
Wait, oh, bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.